Active Lane Assist can detect lane marker lines, and if activated, warn you if your vehicle begins to drift out of the lane. A camera mounted in front of the rearview mirror scans the road to detect lane markings. It can differentiate between the yellow lines in construction zones and the white lines normally used to mark highways. If you are approaching a detected lane marker line and it appears you will leave the lane, Active Lane Assist will warn you with corrective steering. If you cross the line, the Lane Assist display in the instrument cluster will turn red. The driver can override the corrective steering at any time. If you pass over a lane marker line, the steering wheel will vibrate lightly. Now, if you activate the turn signal before crossing a lane marker, Active Lane Assist doesn't warn you, since it assumes that you are changing lanes intentionally. If your vehicle is equipped with Side Assist and it detects a vehicle in your blind spot, even if you activate the turn signal, there will be noticeable corrective steering shortly before you leave the lane. You can turn Active Lane Assist on or off by pressing the button at the end of the turn signal lever. When Active Lane Assist is turned on, the indicator lights illuminate. Yellow lines indicate the system is active, but not ready to give a warning. Active Lane Assist is designed for highways and expressways, so it is only active above approximately 40 miles per hour. At that speed, the Active Lane Assist lines in the instrument cluster will turn from yellow to green, indicating the system is active and ready to provide warnings. You can adjust individual Active Lane Assist settings in the MMI. Press Menu. Then, using the control knob, select Vehicle. Then left drawer, and then select Driver Assistance and Audi Active Lane Assist. Here, you can adjust the steering timing. When Late is selected, corrective steering occurs just before the vehicle goes over the lane marker. When you select Early, corrective steering happens continuously to help keep the vehicle in the center of the lane. You can also switch the vibration warning in the steering wheel off or on. You may want to temporarily deactivate the Lane Assist system in bad weather conditions with limited visibility, on bad roads with no or barely visible lane markings, when driving off the paved road, or if the camera's field of view is covered by dust, dirt, ice, or snow. Be sure to activate Active Lane Assist when road conditions improve, allowing Active Lane Assist to help you as you travel on highways and expressways.